Hi guys, this is Zsolt. In today's video I'm going to show you how to bring back to life this Philips coffee maker. It's not really a fixing video or repairing rather, but yeah, it's more like a cleaning video. So now I just switched on the coffee maker and started to operate. I press the button for 1 cup of or 1 portion of coffee. As you see, it drips super slowly. That's not how it should be, and of course the machine struggles with providing the coffee. The water is not flowing at the right rate as it should. So now let's just wait for the coffee to finish and then I show you the rest. Alright, well, the coffee is ready. It was super slow. So now what I do is I'm going to remove the tray for the spent coffee. Then I open the door on the side. Of course, I advise you to switch off and unplug the device, unlike I did, and then remove this little tray. As you've seen it's a bit dirty, so it's very much advisable to clean it. And also then we need to remove the internal part. As everything is removed, a best way to go ahead is to clean the whole stuff. Then there are 2 screws on the top that you need to remove, and 4 little plastic clips on the bottom, 2 on each side, which I will show you how I press and remove the top plastic part. With the right screwdriver, it's a Torx screwdriver, you can remove the screws. When the screws are off, then you need to remove this top plastic. You just need to pull it upwards, and then instantly you can see from this angle that there is a spring in it. So carefully we remove the spring. It is a bit visible that it narrows from top to bottom, so it's narrower on the bottom. And also be super careful, there is a small plastic spare. I think at least it is plastic, it didn't really look like glass. So you remove that one too, and then you just need to press those 4 little clips and keep moving the plastic top part just to make sure that these clips don't pop back out, and then you remove this bit. There you go, it's all removed. We just put the rest aside. And there is 1 more Torx screw that we need to remove. And then we also remove this bit of metal, I don't know, some sort of mesh or whatever it is. And there you are. You can see it's full of coffee, so it could use a bit of cleaning. You can clean both parts, this bit of plastic and also the metal mesh as well. Of course, normally I don't use all this water, however this time the camera was in front of and I didn't want to hit the camera or kick it, so that's why. Now as you see, there is a, let's call it like a 50-50. I cleaned the top part, it's much cleaner, and the bottom is still blocked with the coffee, so I cleaned the whole stuff. Alright, well, both of the sides are cleaned somewhat, so it can go back. Now, exactly as I took apart, with reverse movements, of course, I just put it back again. First the screw, then this bit of plastic assembly. Make sure you put back the plastic assembly the same way as you removed, just to avoid some surprises or double work. And then first goes the plastic spare, then the spring. Don't forget, narrow part on the bottom, wider part on the top. In it goes. Then this other bit of plastic and the two screws. Okay, that's all done. So we put the whole assembly back and we ensure that it's locked into position. Then the cleaned plastic tray goes back. We are closing the door and we put back the container for the coffee. And then we switch it on. Whilst it's grinding the coffee and warming up, I'm just going to do a bit of spoiler alert as we are getting close to the end of the video. So as you might imagine, now the coffee is going to flow much faster than it used to do before. And basically that's it. So with a couple of minutes of work, you can bring it back to life. And yeah, that's all, guys. So that's the end of the video. If you liked it, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel and press the notification bell so you're not going to miss any of my upcoming videos in this topic or something else. Thank you for your attention, guys, and catch you in the next one. Have a nice day. Bye.